It's May, the month to celebrate all of the incredible women and moms in our life. In May, we celebrate Mother's Day, Women's Health Day, and also National High Blood Pressure Education Month. As always, all month long, right here on the Limoneira YouTube channel, we have recipes and tips featuring Limoneira Citrus, so make sure you are subscribed to the Limoneira YouTube channel so you never miss a video. Have you seen all of the amazing content that our Peelin Good Tour influencers have been posting on Instagram? If not, you need to make sure that you are following Limoneira Co. on Instagram. Here's a look at some of the amazing content that our tour influencers have been sharing. The Peelin Good Tour is a virtual tour making its way all across the United States and Canada, and we're hanging out, virtually of course, with some of our favorite influencers, and they're sharing with us some of their favorite ways to enjoy Limoneira Citrus. You can learn more about the Peelin Good Tour at peelingoodtour.com. You can also order citrus from Limoneira to be delivered right to your door at freshfocusdelivery.com, or look for sustainably grown Limoneira Citrus next time you head to the grocery store. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing to the Limoneira YouTube channel. We hope that you have a wonderful day, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!